Find a career you love with Pickaway Ross Adult Education. Skilled trades careers are in high demand with no signs of slowing down. Pickaway Ross offers career training programs with expert instructors and hands-on learning tactics to create a variety of opportunities. Visit our website for more information.
Tell me about Ag Day.
All right, so today we have 30 presenters from Ross County, Highland County, and Fairfield County coming out to look at different fields of agricultural and see the different avenues you can go for employment options or even starting your own business in the agricultural industry. So we've brought Uniota 8th grade students and Huntington 8th grade students out to see what this Ag Day is all about and what options they can have.
How many years has this event been going on?
This is the 4th event the year.
And how many schools do you usually bring?
Last year we only had Huntington and we had Hershey, but this year we had 2 schools and so we brought it out to the fairgrounds for bigger and better facilities so we can use them.
Are you hoping to expand to other schools in the SVC?
Yes. Unfortunately, Adina was supposed to come, but other circumstances happened, and they were supposed to be here today as well. So we hope to keep expanding it each year.
And so when the 8th graders come here, what are they hoping to come out with?
Just some information on what agriculture is about and what FFA is about too. There's a pre-existing notion that you gotta have this big, massive farm to be in agricultural, but you don't. You could have a greenhouse and be in agriculture in the city. We want to show these kids that they can do it and be involved in agriculture just because they don't have this massive farm.
All right, thank you, Blake.
Yep, thank you.